Welcome back everyone to this exciting video that KiloCode posted last night that Qwen 3.7 Plus is free in Kilo for a limited time. So as you can see that they has posted last night and you know that the Qwen 3.7 is one of the best model of Alibaba. You can go through their blog post and check the benchmark as you can see and compare with other models. Just come here to the artificial analysis. Here you can see this is Qwen 3.7 and it is competing with the GPT 5.5 medium and 5.4 high and Gemini 3.1. It is competing with these top models you can see here, and also more to the blog post you can see the benchmark. They compared it with the Cloud Opus 4.6, K 2.6, GLM 5.1 and other models. As you can see it is top and in front of all of those models. So it is best and top model, and this is an opportunity for all of us to use it for free in KiloCode. So don't miss this opportunity. So as you can see here, the notification also limited time offer Qwen 3.7 Plus is free in KiloCode. As you can see like that. So to use it, for that we will move to the Kilo.ai website, and here you can install it the Kilo code on your machine using different methods like in VS Code, JetBrains, CLI, and Cloud. So if you want to use the CLI method, simply come here to the CLI. You want to use curl, npm, pnpm, burn, or which one? I will use npm command. So simply npm install -g, it means globally kilocode slash CLI. So it will install that. Let's copy this. I have already installed it, but I will show you. For example, this is a folder. Right click, open the terminal. Simply, okay. After opening that, right click, and you can see this. Press enter, so it will install the CLI of KiloCode. So I have already installed it. But if you want to install it in VS Code or JetBrains, simply move to the VS Code editor and come here to the extensions. At the left side, you can see search here Kilo, and you will see the extension of KiloCode. Look at the first one. This is KiloCode. I will just minimize this. And simply here you will see the install button, install it. I have already installed it. Look at, so here you will see the KiloCode has been opened now. Close this. Here you can see the KiloCode. So let's move to open the CLI tool. So to use open the CLI, come here to the this CLI terminal and simply write this command open code. So it will open the CLI of KiloCode. So here now let's select sorry, I think this is open code. We will write KiloCode, sorry. KiloCode. Press enter. So you can see the Kilo CLI tool. Here now we will select the free Qwen 3.7 model. Simply write slash and write models. Press enter. You will see the list of all models. Simply to find it easily, we will search for Qwen 3.7. Qwen 3.7. As you can see, Kilo Gateway. It is provided by Kilo Gateway, and come here to the Qwen 3.7. Look at the one which is highlighted Qwen 3.7 plus free. In quotation, in parentheses, you can see the free. Select this model. So you can select default, instant, and thinking like come here to the default. As you can see, simply you can install. Let's press tab button. So it will ask, it means ask from this. We will simply write hello, which model is, press enter. So as you can see the response, it is say I am powered by the model Kilo Qwen 3.7 plus. This is the response as you can see. So simply whatever you want, so you can just use this for free in KiloCode and make your projects, debug your projects, whatever you want. So you can use this model for free. This is just an opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Sometimes these agentic tools just give you access for free for these top models, so never miss these opportunities. If you are a developer, a student, or a junior, so these tools are for you. So just this is for limited time. Just enjoy it. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.